Hi, I'm RANKIN and you might know me from these. Today I'm going to show you how I shoot with this. Now, unlike a lot of photographers, I love AI because really it's just another tool to make your photographs better. The introduction of on-device AI on the Honor 200 series has really shifted the dial, and I am absolutely amazed at the quality that I'm able to capture with one click. It's like having 20 years of experience in your pocket. So today I'm going to be using my studio as my location. I would recommend use somebody you know. I've got my wife Thule. Styling is super important. At home, what you can do is use a standard lamp. Another brilliant thing about the Honor 200 Pro is its 3 hardcore modes. Use AI to manipulate the shadow, light and texture and give you that classic portrait studio feel. What I'm going to do is have Thule sit on a chair where she can lean on it and we can use the hands to create perspective. Always talking to your subject, making your subject feel comfortable, also feeling like you're in control. And you just got to choose the best shot that shows the most about your subject. Get out there and start shooting.